So this is just a quick tutorial on how to factory reset a GoPro and also reformat the SD card. A few reasons why you'd want to do this. You just got the GoPro, you're not sure if it's set back to factory settings and you want to do it, so this will show you how. Also, you want to sell your GoPro and you want to make sure that it's set back to the factory settings so the new user is able to start from scratch. Or third, basically you changed a bunch of settings and you don't like them and you're not sure how you did it, so you want to go back to the original settings. So this video is going to show you how to do all that. Also, it's going to show you how to reformat that SD card if you just put a brand new SD card in the GoPro and you want to make sure that it's clean and fresh and ready for new recordings. Now, it's not necessary to have a full charge when you're doing this, but it is important. Even though this video is done in real time, you'll see that the GoPro does it pretty quick, but I always say have a full charge just in case. So scroll down to the back of the screen, hit your preferences button as you just saw, and there's an awful lot of menu items, so you're going to want to scroll almost to the very bottom of the menu items, and at the bottom you're going to end up seeing where it's going to ask you if you want to format the SD card. So we're going to click that. And then once you get into that screen, it's basically going to tell you that all the files are going to be deleted. So hit delete. Make sure that if it's a new SD card, I always format them just in case. But if it's an older SD card and you're using it for the first time in this GoPro, make sure you get all your files off it because you will lose them all. So once that's done, we want to scroll back down to the factory reset button and click on that, and this is going to tell you that it is a factory reset. It's going to reset your GoPro back to the factory defaults, which is kind of nice because you can start afresh, or if you sell it, that person can start fresh with it. So the GoPro is going to go ahead and power off itself, power back on. You'll have the original splash screen, and it should go right to the language section, so you can choose your default language. You'll notice too the beeping once I power off the GoPro is much louder now than it was in the beginning, and there it goes. That's basically because the GoPro's been reset to factory default. So thanks a lot for watching. Leave your comments, questions below. Please subscribe. I appreciate you all. Take care.